What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video, and today we're looking at the HIPEAK e-bike with the fat tire. Easy to step over and it is foldable. It also comes with an extra battery so that you can continue riding once your battery runs out. So here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. It is an affiliate link, so it does help out the channel a lot if you want to get it from here. So this is one of the first e-bikes that I've tried that is easy to ride because it's low enough. You can adjust the seat if you are a taller person. I am a 5'9" on the height there, and I'm able to comfortably bring this around, ride it, stand up if I need to without any problem at all. So there's a few features that the HIPEAK e-bike has. It has a 750 watt high power motor. The BONA is equipped with the 750 brushless motor, while those of the folding bikes are usually 500 or less. This is a powerful motor that could help you climb more easily and ride faster. The 750 watt electric bikes can give you the great speed combined with the smooth control. It also has a 65 Nm for the torque. I love how it has a folding frame as well if you want to put it inside your car or SUV and RV. So it's super light compared to most e-bikes. It does have a fat tire as well, which is surprising. Smaller fat tire, yet it's very compact and you can carry it anywhere you want. It has a removable 48 volts 15 amp hour lithium battery. Unlike most folding e-bikes from other brands which are using, it has a lower 14/maybe 12 amp e-bike battery. The HIPEAK BONA folding e-bike is equipped with the 15 amp hour lithium ion battery, 48 volts. It has a higher power. It gives a longer range to the bike. The HIPEAK LES can cover up to 60 miles per charge. It takes about 5 to 7 hours to fully charge it, and you get 2 of those, so you're able to do double the mileage as well. Now it has a nice display as well. It's pretty simple for those of you who are, you don't want to be complicated while you're riding. You just want to see the most important things there. It has the battery capacity gauge, so you could see how much battery you have. It also gauges on what terrain you're on, so it does adapt to that. It has an odometer as well, so it calculates how many miles you ride. It has the speedometer and the watt meter. You could see the average speed or the current speed. It displays the motor output in real time as well. It has a PAS, which is the pedal assist level on the screen. Now it has a payload of 350 pounds, so I would say this is just a one-person bike, but you can always put a mountable. You and maybe another smaller person could do it. You can also put a toddler, mount a seat in front or on your back. You could do something like that, or you could carry something while you're riding if you need that for your commute. Now it does have a 20 by 4 inch all-terrain tires, which is really good for different types of terrain like snow, even on rough rocky roads, and if riding anywhere going uphill, this is really good for that as well. It has a front suspension fork which is adjustable. If you want to lock it, you can as well. If you want to stiffen it, you can do that as well. It has a quality rear rack, which is good, up to 25 kilograms. Again, you can strap down. I like how they added the strap so that you can strap down anything that you want there if you have camera gear or something like that. The seat as well is very comfortable. I would suggest that buying maybe a suspension for the neck of the seat, which is pretty standard for most bikes. so you can replace this whenever you want. It's just easily with this quick connect on the bottom. You can just pull it out and add a new one, or you can have a bigger seat as well. But the one existing, the one that comes with it, is really good already. It also comes with a little bell here. This is the Shimano clutch, which is interchangeable to like 7 gears, which is really nice if you're doing uphill or downhill. E-bike part of this does help a lot when you're going uphill, but if you're using this just a normal bike, you'll be able to tread those uphills without any problems at all. Brakes are really nice as well. It has the little plated brakes in between the little bearing there, which is really nice. This is what you need if you're going high speeds. So it's kind of like how you speed up as well during the handle. The handlebars are really nice and comfortable as well. It's a bit tougher and stiffer. It is comfortable, and the battery is lockable as well, so it won't get stolen. Let's go ahead and show you how easy to install this as well. I didn't even really use the instruction manual, which is really nice. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. So here we go. It has this quick connect right here. Really easy to dismantle it, so if you need to fold it. And that's really it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new e-bike. Again, this is good for maybe shorter people who doesn't want to like jump up to your bike. You can use this. Even shorter people, maybe like 5 feet, you'll be able to hop in, no problem. It is easy to fold as well, so bring it around with you. If you have a small car, you don't have to struggle to put a bike rack or anything like that. You just throw it in the back of your SUV and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to get one of these. I'll link this down below. It is about $1,500, $1,350 with a little bit of sale. If you want to check it out right now, it'll be on the description below. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.